In this video, I'm gonna be making this tomato soup. This nice creamy tomato soup. Lectin-free, keto-friendly. Let's go. Woo, woo. All right, and we're gonna start with this tomato soup. We have some de-seeded and peeled tomatoes, and these are Roma tomatoes, okay? You wanna make sure you do that, so that way you take most of the lectins out. We also have some nice fresh rosemary, organic. We have some basil. We have some onions and garlic, and we have this nice feta, cheap feta. I don't know how to say that word too much, but you know, it's not cow's milk. All right, so we have some salt, we have some paprika, extra virgin olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. This is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna put some of the salt, a little bit, not too much. Let's put the feta cheese, and this is gonna make it nice and creamy. Let's put some of this rosemary. Just put it like that. And then we're gonna get some garlic. You could use as much as you like. And we're gonna put some onions all around like that. We're gonna do a little bit of paprika. Extra virgin olive oil. The balsamic, baby. This is the secret weapon right here. And now we're gonna put it in the oven at 450 for 40 minutes. It's looking beautiful. So now we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna put it in the blender. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Now, we're gonna add some organic vegetable broth, a cup of it. And we're gonna add some basil, 4 to 6 leaves. We're gonna add some thyme too. When I blend it now, I'm gonna see if it needs more salt. And I'm gonna add some more basil and a little bit of more salt. Soup. Some heavy whipping cream, about a cup. Now we're gonna shred some Parmesan. As much as you like. So now, I'm gonna let it simmer 5 to 10 minutes. All right, and we are done. This is the final beautiful results. So we added some more heavy whipping cream on the top for a little bit more flavor and presentation, and some basil. I like a lot of basil on mine. Let me know how you like yours. But this is so delicious. Enjoy.